Good morning, all of you. Welcome to STPS students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today, I will teach you how to make a different type of craft work. Let us start to work. How to make a paper bird. Okay, so let us start to work. So this is a plain paper. This is a white plain paper. Okay, and I will use this white plain paper and I will use a colorful paper. So this is a colorful paper. This is an orange color paper. Okay, so let us start to work. So first I will draw a semicircle shape with the help of pencil, and I will use a scissor and you will use a scissor with your parents' help. Okay, like this, and I will cut this semicircle shape like this. Okay, and now I will cut a little bit cut in the side. Like this. This is a little cup cut in the side like this. Okay, like this. And now I will fold this paper like this. Like this. Okay, I will fold this paper, and now I will fold this paper in the side, and I will cut a U shape like this. Okay, and now I will set this paper in this side, and I will apply Fevicol in this side, and I will paste this paper in this side. Like this. Like this, like this, and this is a standable bird. Okay, and now I will make a beak. So this is a brown color, and I will cut this brown color in this side. Like this, and I will apply Fevicol, and I will paste this side, and I will paste this side. Okay, and I will make eyes. So this is a black marker pen. So this is the eyes, like this, and I will make a eyes in this side. Both side I will make a eyes. Like this, and this bird is done. Okay, like this. This is a very easy and very simple bird, like this. Okay children, this work is complete. You can use I will use a white paper, and you will use any one your choice. Okay, you will use a brown paper, and you will use a black paper. Okay, blue paper. This is your choice. Okay, like this, and I will make a both side. I will make a paste this beak, and both side I will make a eyes, like this. And this side I will use a Fevicol, and I will paste this side. Okay, like this. Okay children. Okay children. Okay children. Bye bye.